Neptune is a specialized Australia consulting company which has been there, for last 8 years with a track record of 15,000 plus visas, and we represent most of the elite universities. Most of the elite universities. The purpose behind this fair today at this place is to communicate to students what are all the advantages of hostel education, plus also an idea about the latest rules and regulations. The student community of late, under the influence of SVP, has got loads of doubts. What will succeed and what will not. And this attempt is to clear all those doubts and to provide a platform where students can meet the universities and have all their questions answered. It's a platform. It's a platform which brings the universities and students together. That interaction is always advantageous because students would have all these questions answered from universities directly, which is like having the best education from the best teacher. We have chosen this occasion to present Australia because at this stage, Australia is going very popular, and students are choosing that in large number because of obvious benefits like admission, which comes easily. Also, visa which is hassle-free, and also the feedback, from most of the students in Australia is there are good, opportunities coming the student way. Plus, also the life is pretty exciting over there. This is what the students are saying, and which influences, again, students back in India. Australia is very popular for engineering and IT. Mostly, I might put this way: 80% of students who go to Australia are for engineering and IT programs. And the universities, are top class with the top class infrastructure, which is very essential for IT programs, IT and engineering programs. Earlier it used to be 70,000-80,000, but I think now it's come down. We don't have latest estimates, but it's come down drastically. But the interest amongst Indian students, has gone down. It is still the same. Obviously, that is always, an incentive to the student community. Australia allows students to stay back after education for 2 years, which gives them an opportunity to work full time, which again sees them making a lot of money and also making that, valuable exposure to that CV, which helps them after that, work permit. Either they stay back in Australia or they come back to India. That work experience, always puts them in advantage.